This is the fiddle yard under construction. You can see all my wagon fleet taking rest here, ready for the next day's job. I have divided it into track sections of the oil, coal. I've got the gravel wagons, the ferry vans, and the oil refinery section. This area is under construction. I'll be making this into a permanent layout. This is the stone quarry. And here, this is gonna be one of the cement works. Stay tuned for more videos coming out very soon. This is the oil refinery also under construction. And this is my old setup, the one you're familiar with. Thank you for watching Spring Mills Yard. Stay tuned for more. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.